What are the 5 roles that every data science team needs to hire? What would happen if you miss even one of these roles? That's the focus of today's video. A few years ago, there was a large financial services organization in the US whose CEO was a big supporter of data science. How did he start the organization's foray into data science? By hiring 1,000 data scientists, each at an average cost of $250,000. Pretty massive investment, right? But the CEO is very proud of the fact that they were able to manage to hire so many data scientists. But a few months down the line, the organization did not realize the business value. Eventually, they found out that most of these people were not, in the truest sense, data scientists, whatever that title might mean. This led to massive loss of investment and lost time to market, importantly. A lot of organizations go through these challenges. A top question I get from technology leaders is, how do I hire the best data scientists? I tell them that you need 5 roles in your data science team, not just this one specific role. So here are the 5 skills and roles you need. Number 1 is that of a domain specialist. Asking the business questions, finding out the right business problem to solve, and translating the business problem into a data problem. That is the role of a data translator. Once you have the problem translated, you need to have analytics skill set, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, AI, whatever you might want to call it. Data scientist brings those skills and identifies the deep insights from data. Once you have the insights, you need design to convert them into data stories with the right UI and user experience. Information designer can help you do that. And you need to package the insight stories, business recommendations using DevOps skill set. It's very important. Packaging the applications is something which ML engineer can help you do, helping them provide the insights at scale to the end users. This multifunctional team needs to be brought together with project management, with the right focus on objectives and hand-holding the users with adoption. That's the role of a data science manager. So we've looked at these 5 roles. Let's look at an example. If there's a retailer looking to improve the customer experience, how can these roles help? A data translator can define what really makes a customer happy. What does it even mean? How do you measure it? And the data scientist identifies the contributing factors using data and measures them. An information designer can convert these into consumable business recommendations. What actions will improve, for instance, my NPS score? And an ML engineer can provide these at scale for the business teams, marketing, product teams, and so on. And a data science manager checks whether the application meets the spirit of what the users asked for. Is it usable? So what happens if you don't have even one of these roles? Without a data translator, you will be executing a lot of projects, but they will not meet the right business objectives. You may not even choose the right projects to start with. Without a data scientist, you will generate tons of dashboards with very little insight. Without an information designer, your users will be staring at statistical insights, not in an easily consumable form. ML engineer, if you don't have this person, you will generate a lot of pilots but very few production-ready applications. Without a data science manager, your team might be directionless and your users may not be able to adopt the solution. So this is why, like the 5 fingers of your hand, you need to have these 5 skills and roles in data science. So you need to take the decision whether you want to go after the sexiest job of the century or build a sexiest solution that benefits your organization. Hope you found today's session useful. What roles do you staff on your team? What titles do you call them? It's always confusing within the industry. What other inputs would you share? Do share in the comments. Thank you.